Hello! Hello. So I'm back and I have friends coming over, so I'm gonna cook. And this is another easy recipe, but very impressive. We're going to make mussels and wine with pasta with mussels and wine. And obviously you've gathered that I like cooking with wine, so today we're doing that. But because I'm pretty sure you also gathered that I like to have drinks while cooking, I'm gonna have some of this. It's Drink for Peace, and it comes from OO's Craft Brewery. It's a small brewery on the northern side of Cyprus, and they actually make fantastic wine, and this beer was made in an attempt to promote peace on this island, and it's actually a really good beer. So give it a try and let's start. So, whilst the onions are getting ready, I'm also going to make a starter. I'm going to make, I will not pronounce this correctly, so please don't judge me. I will make deep fried camembert. Maybe that's right. So for this, we're going to need an egg. We're going to need some milk. I personally dislike dairy. Dairy? I don't know. Potato. Give it a shot. We're going to need some flour, and we're going to need some breadcrumbs. So we're going to mix the egg with the milk. We're going to get the cheese from in the freezer. I put it there so that it's easier to cut it. And we're going to put it into the flour, into the egg mixture, and then into the pancake mix, then into the breadcrumbs, and we're going to do that again, and then we're going to deep fry it. For that, I have made fresh berry jam. All you basically need to do with this is bring the berries to the boil, add some sugar to taste, and that's it. Together, it's amazing combination. So for something that's actually quite easy to make, it looks and tastes incredible. So try that out as well.